Presenting the world of Mike. He builds cool things you'll like. Watch to see what he's doing tonight.
Hi everyone and welcome to, yes, we have the second issue of Build the F40 Competizione Ferrari. This is done by Panini Collections and there is a link between Panini and Centuria. Now, just for the time being, this will be taking over the Route Master slot on the Monday, just because the Route Master is a little bit inconsistent with issues at the moment and it's very intermittent. So here we are with the F40, we'll just run through the parts, so really cool. So I always love the middle page because look at the detail on this vehicle. I would recommend, if you like cars, take this out of your magazine and obviously pop it on your wall, because that's definitely what I'll be doing. And in this issue is quite a good one actually, because we'll be doing the driver's seat. Basically we've got these 4 little sections here, and what's going to happen is we're just going to whack them into the seats around the selected holes, and then you're coming up in issue 3. We've got the I can't read upside down, sorry. We've got the F40 front section, and then it looks like the front wheel and fixings in issue 4. I can actually reveal that I've got them issues today, so if you are subscribed to this, Panini do send out the first one before payment. I know that because I've been with the company for ages. Just to let you know that we did get our first free gift today, which is the F40 magazine. As you all know, I do not keep binders that have these plastic pins in. I just don't get on with them very well. So I will be doing a giveaway, and to earn this, all you need to do is comment in the comments box below. And what we'll do is this will be running until next Monday. So Monday I will do a video of a generator thing that will tell me who the winner is, and the lucky winner will win this. If no one does claim, if no one comments, then obviously we'll just keep running the competition until it can find a new home. This will be sent out free of charge. Because I don't keep binders with pins in. So yeah, if you do want to get your hands on that, all you need to do is drop me a comment in the comments box below and I'll sort that out for you. The winner will be selected on next Monday. So let's get to the first part. So first of all, we've got this lovely driver's seat, and absolutely fantastic. When I saw this in the magazine, I thought, oh my god, that looks like it's got like a furry effect to it. And I was right, because this has got like this furry appearance on it. It actually feels like this, I don't know what the material is, but it's quite furry, so really cool. You've got this little bit under here. Now, while it looks like we've only got these parts here, you've got to remember that probably half the money is in this seat, so don't worry about if you think it's only 4 bits, because you do make up for the money's worth there. So basically what we're going to do, obviously we've got these 4 parts. I'm just going to get to the instructions here. And what's going to happen is we're going to get the position eyelet L1. So they're all little numbered on the edge there. You've got little numbers just there. And what's going to happen is, whoops, lost one already. It's on the move. Doesn't want to go in the seat. So we need L1. So that's L2. And we'll just get this one, which should be L1. Yeah, that's lovely. So L1 is going to go into this little slot here. So the seat's there and they want us to put it into here. Let's just move that down a little bit so you can see. Now it has got like this rounded part at the top. So you will get the idea that that slots into there just like so. And it fits in there quite snug. That's a really lovely tight fit. The next part we're going to do is get R2. So it's L1. Remember that it's R2 on this section. So R2, which is this one here, and what's going to happen is R2 is going to face into this section here. So this little slot here. So that's going to go into R2. So I'm going to pop it in. Maybe we can pop it in this side. That might be easier. Yeah, let's do it that side. So that's really cool. So we'll pop that into position. The next part, what we're going to do is pop the other one in. So it looks as if we put the L1 in there as well. That's fine. We can go back to it now. So that's L2 into here like so. So let's just get that into position like so. Like that. Whoops. Is that going in? Doesn't want to go in. It's quite a tight fit, that, but just have a look at this. It might go the other way around, so it's not liking it. definitely said L1, so. But yeah, so basically it's not in there. L2 actually goes into that side there. So this is a bit deceiving. But yeah. And I'll tell you why it's deceiving in a minute, because if you look at the magazine, they've got it drawn here, but where you put L1, it looks as if we put both of them in. They don't actually tell you to put the second one in, because it goes down in the side of the seat, so that's where I got a little bit confused. But this is why I make mistakes, so that you guys don't make this mistake. So, and then our one will go into this side here of the seat up here. And that will just slot into position like so. So yeah, it's got a really lovely texture there. A little bit of fur defects just there, but overall that's a really decent quality seat. And obviously you've got this section down here, which will obviously you've got screws here, so that will get connected somehow. It's very interesting that they've not provided us because it looks as if one of these black sections go into there, but maybe that's for something else. Maybe the steering wheel comes out of there, you don't know. So I hope you like that video. We will be back next Monday for issue number 3 of the F40 Competizione. As I said, if you are subscribed to this, you will start to receive your deliveries now, because Panini will send out the first subscription before payment. That's what they do. It's the same with Eagle Moss. So, and then once again, if you want to win this, all you need to do is drop me a comment in the comments box below, and I will pick someone on the generator that I do on Monday. And obviously if no one comments, then we'll just keep running the prize until obviously someone decides to comment, and then you can have it free of charge. I'll send that out to you. So yeah, overall, let me know what you think of this little seat. I absolutely love it. I think it's a nice little seat. It's brilliantly detailed, really good. I think the only problem I think the only slight thing I would say is these are a little bit tough to push in. Especially these ones down here, but overall a lovely issue. So I hope you liked that video. Please remember to like and support, and I'll see you very soon for another Build the F40 Competizione from Panini. And obviously if you do want to sign up to this collection, coming up coming up on the screen now is the link that you need, that is www.supercarbuildup.com. Hope you like that, and have a great day ahead. Take care, bye bye.
It's the world of Mike. Comment, like, subscribe. It's the world of Mike. Don't you cry. It's the world of Mike. Now it's time to say bye-bye.